Namaste, Pranam, good morning to brothers and sisters. Today I am going to speak about you and your stars. There are 27 stars are there. The 360 degree is divided into 12 and 12 has divided into 27 nakshatras. Ek Rashi has 2 and 1/4 nakshatras. Mesha Rashi, Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, 1/4. And similarly, the 12 Rashis. Each nakshatras also have different categories. My chapter is medical science and astrology. I am Dr. Divagaran, Kochi. Nakshatras are called lunar mansions, and they are the central axis around which Vedic astrology revolves. Association of moon with different asteroids produces various traits in a nativity, beginning with the initial point of the zodiac, 0, that is Aries, Mesha Rashi, Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Kal. Each nakshatra consists of 13.20 degrees. On the path of all the eclipse, each star is further divided into 4 quadrants, padas, ruled by different planets. You and your stars. What saying? Male star Deva Nakshatra, Asura Nakshatra, Manusha Nakshatra. Male star Deva Gana, gods, male. Yoni, waist, Renju, Madhyavanadi, and is ruled by Saturn. These stars rules commercial lines, business fields, and executive, courageous, rich, religious, and virtuous. He will be generous, of good character, and helpful to relatives and others. He will achieve success after 32 years of age, while for the first 16 years only some women suffer due to envy from others, family quarrels, and sickness. Martial combativity. Pushya first pada, girl must avoid a boy of Bharani fourth pada. Pushya second pada, girl must avoid a boy of Kritika first pada. Third pada, girl must avoid a boy of Kritika second pada. And Pushya fourth pada must avoid a boy of Kritika third pada. Veda star boy of Purvashada and hostile Yoni stars of Purvashada and Sarvana, Mangi. They can marry boys of stars Ashwini. Aries, Kritika, Cancer, Punarvasu, Aslesha, and Revati. If the first menses occurs in the Pushya, the native will have sex with rulers. It is said that those born in the Pushya first pada brings misfortune to self, in the second pada to mother, in the third pada to father, and in the fourth pada to uncle, father, mother, brother, but it is only a myth. Results depends on the cumulative effect of the horoscope. The star is good for talking medicines, starting agriculture, travel, sports, purchase of cows, and buffaloes, but not good for marriage. Lucky stones. Their lucky stones is blue sapphire or amethyst, black topaz or iolite. Select one stone of 3 carat and set it in a ring of lead, silver or panchaloha. Iron bottom open and wear on the index, little or middle finger of the either hands. First use must be on any Saturday during the first certain horas, hora, kala hora, that is Arka, Shukra, Buddha, Chandra, Manda, Jivo, Gede, Gede. The stars are very important. Some stars kills mother, that is Pushya Nakshatra, Hasta Nakshatra, Mula Nakshatra, and Jeshta Nakshatra. Jeshta kills the elder brother. The first pada is ruled by sun, and the native will be clever eye, troubles and stomach alignments. The second pada is ruled by Mercury, and the native will be fair, greedy, respected by others and liked by ladies. The third pada is ruled by Venus, and the native will be intelligent, jovial and liked by relations. Domestic life will be happy. The fourth pada is ruled by Mars, and the native will be quarrelsome, robbing others, money and property, and fond of the other sex. There is danger to life during the first month, danger from during the 13th year, danger from the feverish elements in the 19th year. Longevity will be 70. Aslesha, a male star, Rakshasa Gana, male at the Yoni, Pada, Reju, and Aya Nadi, and is heralded by Mercury. The native will be educated, clever and diplomatic, and it will be difficult to read his mind. He is ambitious and will rise to high positions, but will swindle others. He will be generally sinful, dutiful, ungrateful, and stubborn, with jealousy and greedy. Multilingual, straight relations with relatives and friends, angry moods and unhappy married life. Martial compatibility. Aslesha first pada girl must avoid marriage with the boy from in Kritiga fourth pada. Second pada girl must avoid boy of Rohini first pada. Third pada girl must avoid boy of Rohini second pada. And fourth pada girl must be avoid boy of Rohini third pada. As well as Veda star boy of Mula and hostel Yoni, stars of Maga and Purva Falguni, rat, and dog Yoni, stars of Mula and Anuradha. And Aslesha girl can select boy from stars of Ashwini, Punarvasu, Pushya and Dhanishta, Capricorn. Dhanishta has 4 padas, 2 padas will be in Magar and 2 padas will be in the Kumbha. If the first menses occurs in Aslesha, there will be loss of sons. Those born in the Aslesha first pada is said to bring misfortune or death to the mother. Birth star alone should not be considered for predictive purposes. Aslesha is good for performing incantations, invoking spirits, poisons, works, and cheating others. It is good for cutting the wood, digging and starting trade. The lucky stones that emerald, green turmeric, or green jade. Use third great weight of stone in a ring of gold or panjadadu or silver and wear on the little finger or ring finger of the either hands, bottom open. Wear during the first Mercury Hora after 5 minutes of prayer. You know, today is the first the Kala Hora. Suppose today is Sunday. Today morning the Surya Hora will be rises. Then sixth will be the next. Arka, Shukra, Buddha, Chandra, Manda, Jivo, Gede. If you wear a stone of Mercury, that is emerald, you have to wear on Wednesday morning after sunrise within 1 hour. That will be good. That will be the Hora of Mercury, the Hora of Buddha. The first Pada is ruled by Jupiter and the native will be intelligent, wealth, jolly, brave and honest. The second Pada is ruled by Saturn and the native will be Amsha, wealth, and give to his wife and will do wicked deeds and humiliate others by evil means. The third Pada is ruled by Saturn and the native will be sickly, cruel and dishonest. He acts, deeds and behavior will be bad and he will make himself and others unhappy. The fourth Pada is ruled by Jupiter and the native will be a spendthrift, will cause danger to parents, will be a good friend to wicked people, sickly and loves low-caste girl and menial works. There will be serious illness to the native till the second year, fear from poison in the 11th year, fear from serpents during the 27th year, and serious ailments during the 30th year. If he survives these, he will have long life. So similarly, we have to discuss the star and yours. Thank you very much. Tomorrow I will come with other subjects.